Want to quickly remove unwanted parts from your video using CapCut? Don't worry, let me walk you through it step by step. It's super easy, even if you're new to editing. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile phone. On the home screen, tap on the new video or project you want to edit, and wait for it to open on the timeline. Once your video loads, look at the bottom menu and tap on Edit. Now, swipe through the editing tools until you find the crop option. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where the magic happens. You can now crop your video by dragging the edges of the frame to remove unwanted areas. If you need a specific format, like square for Instagram, vertical for Reels, or widescreen for YouTube, just select one of the preset ratios available. Adjust the frame until everything looks clean and perfectly aligned. When you're happy with the result, tap Confirm or Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your video is now neatly cropped and ready for export or further editing. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy editing tips. Thanks for watching.